Hi everyone, this is the second generation of the GoPro Kite Line mount. There's some improvement from the first generation. Let me explain the improvement that I've made. First is the material. The material has a better finishing than the first generation, but the build strength is still the same. Then the other improvement is that I've cut off the edge, so it's rounder. Let's see here, it's rounder on the edge. The third improvement is the clip that I've made for the line holder here, so the line does not come out when you put it in. There's a clip here, and the last one is I've added the fifth line guide here. Now, if some kites have fifth line, you can use this to support the fifth line so that it doesn't move around the kite line mount. And also with the clip. Okay, let me show you how to install the GoPro onto this second generation GoPro Kite Line mount. Okay, first you need to put the GoPro here inside the slot here, and make sure the hose is aligned to the kite line mount. And use this, put it through. Alright. You may need to screw it through. And put the nut onto the other side. Keep screwing until the nut goes sits inside the place. Then you can adjust. Okay, let me show you how to mount this kite line mount onto the two front line of your kite here. You just slot it in. Quite easy. Same for the other side. It will take less than a minute. Alright, once you've done that, secure the line. Now this is the improved generation of the kite line mount. I have a clip here, so you slot it in. Same thing for the other side. Okay. Right. So now the line doesn't fall off. Okay, this is a new improvement that I've made. Okay, once you're done that, you can adjust your line. Once you adjust to the position, you use the clip. Now there's a slight angle here, so you got to follow the angle. The clip is split for the angle. Alright. You can't do this way, you have to put this way because the clip is designed for the angle. So once you position your mount, clip it. Same for the other side. There. Okay, it's in the position. Right, you can always move the position by moving a clip and clip it back. Okay, if your kite has a fifth line, I have made the design that you can actually put your fifth line inside this guide here. Alright, this is if you have a fifth line. If you don't have a fifth line, you can ignore this function here. Alright, if you have a fifth line, you just put it in and you use the clip. Clip it. Okay, so now you have a fifth line. Right, this is the I think for some kite this is a safety line. Right. Let me show you how to use this safety leash. Make a loop around the kite line on this side. Alright, push it to the bottom here. Okay, remove your GoPro. Alright, now loop around here. Right, the foot of your housing. Make sure it's in between. I put it in. Until the hole aligns. And just put it in. There. This is how you put the safety leash onto your GoPro. This is